Hi, I'm Tiffany Hartman, Director of Student Life at Shawnee State University, and welcome to Look Who's Cooking in the Kitchen. Today I have a special guest.
I'm the husband of the Director of the Student Life at Shawnee State University, and sometimes I teach there.
He does, he's an adjunct. And so today we are going to be making quesadillas. We've already made some already, and now it's my turn. So we're going to have some chicken quesadillas, and so we're going to get started. So we're adding a little bit of salsa to the tortilla. And at the same time, we have our pan heating up with oil. It's supposed to be medium high. Then you sprinkle your cheese on top.
Approximately 1/4 cup, but we don't measure here.
No, we don't. And then I'm adding chicken to mine. He had beef earlier. More of a chicken person.
Make sure it's cooked.
Yeah, I went ahead and warmed up my chicken just so that way it'd be nice and hot inside. But yeah, you definitely don't want to put raw chicken in there or raw beef. That would be bad. All right. So the next thing you do is you water the edges of your fajita or quesadilla or whatever I'm supposed to call it. You water the sides all the way around. You're supposed to brush it, but we're not fancy here. We're using our fingers.
We don't have a brush. I'm saying.
So you just water the edges. Fold it over.
If you make it too thick, it won't stick together.
We learned that earlier.
We learned that this time too.
Oh, a quesadilla is not going to be sticking together. Too many ingredients. So one of the things that you can do is also add green onions to it, and you just let it cook. And we're gonna wait for the one side to turn brown, and then when it does that, then we'll flip it. And now that this side is brown, we will flip it.
Look at that luscious golden crust.
All right, both sides are brown.
Please enjoy our collection of salt and pepper shakers.
I like funny little salt and pepper shakers. I do. Oh, my mom even gave me that little one. She's had that. See that little one that looks like a little stove back there? So nice and hot.
That's what the
Melted cheese. Very nice. All right. Well, thanks for joining us. What recommendations do you have for eating quesadillas?
Spicy salsa, and I guess some sour cream and lettuce probably on top. It's always fun.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for joining the Hartmans and our really quick little quesadilla recipe that we just learned today. All right. Thanks.
Bye.